మనదే దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే ప్రజల అండదండ మనదే అందాల బంధం ఉంది నేలలో ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది గాలిలో కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా భరతమాతకొకటే లేరా ఎన్ని భేదాలున్నా మాకు ఎన్ని తేడాలున్నా దేశమంటే ఏకమౌదం అంతా ఇవేళ ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా భరతమాతకొకటే లేరా ఎన్ని భేదాలున్నా మాకెన్ని తేడాలున్నా దేశమంటే ఏకమవుతామంతా ఈవేళ వందే మాతరం పీనలవైనా రాజువైనా పీనలవైనా భరతమాతకొకటి లేరా ఎన్ని వేదలున్నా మాకెన్ని తేడాలున్నా దేశమంటే ఏకమౌతం అంతా ఈవేళ వందే మాతరం అందమందరం వందే మాతరం అందమందరం
తేనెల తేటల మాటలతో మన దేశమాతనే కొలిచెదమా తేనెల తేటల మాటలతో మన దేశమాతనే కొలిచెదమా భావం భాగ్యం కూర్చుకొని ఇక జీవనయానం చేయుదమా
ఏ వతన్ వతన్ మేరే ఆబాద్ రహే తూ ఏ వతన్ వతన్ మేరే ఆబాద్ రహే తూ मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू है वतन मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये बदन शांति उन्नति प्यार कदम वतन मेरे नाज है तेरा आजाद मैं हूँ और वतन आजाद है मेरा आजाद मैं हूँ और वतन आजाद है मेरा जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद ఎన్ని భేదాలున్నా మాకెన్ని తేడాలున్నా దేశమంటే ఏకమౌతామంతా ఈవేళ వందే మాతరం అన్నమందరం వందే మాతరం
July 1999. After the loss of many lives on both sides, India won and regained control over the previously held territory. Since 1999, July 26 is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas. It marks the victory of Indian soldiers in regaining the mountains that were occupied by Pakistan. Many of our Indian soldiers sacrificed their lives in Kargil war for our country.
26 July every year. One of the most prominent wars between India and Pakistan was the Kargil War, which took place between May 3rd and July 26th in the year 1999.
Vijay Divas is most important day for us. It is celebrated on July 26 every year in India. It is celebrated to tribute our army soldiers who sacrificed their lives.
Every year of 26 July is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas to honor the lives of our brave soldiers. On that day, we celebrate the sacrifice and martyrdom of our armed forces that brought. And in honor of the Kargil War heroes, this day is celebrated all over India and in national capital New Delhi, where the Prime Minister of India pays the victory of India against Pakistan. To commemorate the victory of war, we celebrate it every year. Around 2 lakh Indian soldiers had participated in the war. Once upon a time, there was a poor boy. He was very hungry one day. He went to his house and looked for food, but there is no food. He was thinking. Then he decided to go to one of his neighbor's house and ask them for a glass of water. He went to a house and knocked the door. Then a beautiful girl opened the door and he asked the girl, "Ma'am, can you please give me a glass of water?" Then the girl said, "You can have the glass of water." Then she went into her house and saw the boy and understood how hungry he was. Instead of a glass of water, she decided to give him a glass of milk. By seeing the milk, the boy was shocked and he said, "Ma'am, I don't want milk. I have no money to pay it for you." Then the girl said, "I don't want any money for the milk." Then the boy drank the milk happily and thanked her. Upon a time, there lived a sweet corn in a vegetable town. He was very greedy. One day when he was plowing in the field, he got a treasure. "Oh, I got a good treasure. I'll take it to my house." It was full of the diamonds. In that town there lived 2 robbers. They hear that the sweet one has the treasure. "We'll take your treasure tomorrow." Then the next day when he was feeding the two two robbers came, becoming an employer, and told, "Hello, we have a good deal for you." "Oh, what is the good deal for me?" "If you give your place to us, we'll give you a bungalow." Once upon a time, in a desert far away, there was a rose who was so proud of her beautiful looks. Her only complaint was growing next to an ugly cactus. Every day, the beautiful rose would insult and mock the cactus on his looks. All while the cactus remained quick. All the other plants nearby tried to make the rose see sense, but she was too swayed by her own looks. On scoring summer, the desert became dry, and there was no water left for the plant.
Beautiful spring day. The grasshopper was singing, dancing, and enjoying the beautiful spring day. Suddenly, an ant passed his way. The ant was a hard-working ant. The ant, with all the hard work, effort, a particle of corn on his horn. The grasshopper asked, "Instead of working all the day, why don't you come, sit and talk to me?" The ant was very intelligent. She said, "I'm gathering food for rainy seasons. You should also do the same. What will you give your family to eat and stay?" The grasshopper said, "I have lot of food to eat and place to stay. Why should I think about rainy days?" The ant did not pay any attention and went away. Suddenly one day rain started. The poor grasshopper was not having anything to eat and any place to stay. The grasshopper went to the ant hill. The ant reminded him what he said earlier. But the ant was very...
One day, a fisherman went fishing to a river. As usual, he threw his net into the river and just sat down, waiting there for fish to gather, and he could sell a lot of fishes in the market and get some good money from the fish. After some time, the fisherman,
His wife and his two children in a village. They were indeed quite well off. They had a beautiful hen which laid an egg every day. It is not an ordinary egg, it is a golden egg. But the man was not satisfied with what he used to daily use.